Welcome back. Today we're going to take a look at the top 40 cryptocurrencies by market cap. We're going to start with AAVE at number 1, followed by Gate, ONDO, Near, Mental, ICP, ETC, Crow, AAVE, and then we end with cost bar number 40. Let's get straight into it. AAVE against BTC. Here we are. Okay, so one thing about AAVE is that we actually did form a monthly hammer. Actually, it's a Dragonfly Doji. But still, Dragonfly Dojis are supposed to be trend reversal, a bullish trend reversal. However, we're very, very close to taking out the lows. But still doesn't change the fact it's a Dragonfly Doji, and a bullish reversal is expected from AAVE BTC. Until we take out these lows, this is still valid. AAVE against USD is... Okay, so here we are for AAVE USD. AAVE USD may not be as obvious, I would say. Could this be a reversal? Bros. If you look at AAVE, right, it's been forming lower highs, lower lows. So it's in kind of a downwards trend, something like that. And yeah, I would anticipate a potential reversal soon for AAVE. We might drop a little bit lower, but nothing much for us to work with. Gate token, it's quite obvious that Gate still has another move towards the upside to $28. We're still expecting $28 from Gate. We keep getting higher lows, right? It's a higher high, but till this is the highest high, right? It's not exactly a squeeze, right? You may consider this as the squeeze. From the top, yo bro, where's the... okay, from top here to here is the resistance. So we're expecting a break towards $28 eventually. Of course, if BTC drops, very likely you're going to see Gate drop as well. But looking at a skinny pink line, we are still above it, and so the trend is still bullish. So as long as the trend is still bullish, we remain with our bullish bias, and this is a squeeze. The thing about Gate is that it's a token that squeezes. So one thing we like about Gate is, look at this long ass squeeze, bam, broke out, right? Something like this falling channel, right? And then we broke out. So yeah, I would expect Gate to eventually head towards $28. Still more upside to come for Gate. ONDO against USD. Okay, ONDO, in my opinion, doesn't look too good. Why? Because ONDO is potentially forming a head and shoulders. Potentially, right? Doesn't mean it's gonna happen, doesn't mean we're gonna collapse. But we're under the skinny pink line and we're expecting a right shoulder. So it's just not really looking that good to me. ONDO, I still think that ONDO eventually is going to fall from this head and shoulders, right? We're probably going to see another rally, right, towards the skinny pink line. And yeah, this should be a right shoulder that appears. And after that, pump, we drop lower. How much lower? Very likely taking out these two cell clusters. If you look very carefully, there's one here, right? And there's another one here. So we're expecting these two to be taken out eventually, right? This is in preparation for it. So would be awesome if we could open shorts for ONDO. I suspect we will go past these two, down past these as well, into sub 20 cents. So yeah, I think ONDO is a downer, right? Could we see surprises? Yeah, sure, of course. But as long as we're under the skinny pink line, we will remain with a bearish bias for ONDO. Near protocol against USD. So for Near, we're expecting it to drop lower as well, towards 130, 127, taking out this cell cluster. So more downsides to be expected for Near protocol. Mental, we kind of like Mental. I think Mental is about to hit targets. I think we're going to go past this into sub 60 cents. Right now at 70 cents, and yeah, I would expect a continuation towards 62 cents. A target which we acquired some time ago. ICP against USD. Here we are for internet computer. Anything for us to work with? Nope. Going lower? Very likely. Are we in an up or down trend? Lower highs, lower highs, lower highs, lower highs. This lower high, lower high. You can see, we keep saying lower highs and lower low, lower low, lower low. Yeah, so the trend is still largely bearish for ICP, and we're expecting these cell clusters to be taken out. So sub 370, we're at 470, so it's not too far away. Another dollar down for ICP. Ethereum Classic against USD. So here we are for Ethereum Classic. Still under the skinny pink line. Are we gonna sweep all of these cells? Yeah, sure, very likely. So I would stay safe when it comes to Ethereum Classic. Kronos against USD. We look at it on KuCoin. Okay, TA Gate. Right, there's so many exchanges. So anything for us to work with? No. Under the skinny pink line? Yeah. Clearing all of these cells? Yeah. Very, very likely. We're gonna clear these cell clusters. This one. And this one. Dropping to 6 cents. 8 cents to 6 cents. Yeah, more downside to be expected. We're under the skinny pink line, so it's just not looking too good for Kronos. AAVE against USD is under the skinny pink line. So AAVE, we're expecting very, very big ABCDE. And then potentially a breakout, right? If and when Ethereum goes bananas, we're expecting AAVE to go banana together with Ethereum when the time comes. Kaspa against USD. So for Kaspa, we are, so Kaspa formed a right shoulder. It broke out from the support, right? Retested resistance, support once broken becomes resistance. Testing a resistance, drop down, bam, hit target number 1. There's a rally right now. I'm expecting we're coming back down to hit target number 2. And you keep seeing lower highs, lower highs, lower highs. Suspect this could be the high though. So, I mean, if you want to take a shot, you could put a stop here, and then you enter here. And that's it. You're expecting it to hit target number 2. But there's no chart pattern that is accompanying this. So the chart pattern was here. So if any moves were to be made, it will have to be made over here, right? So anyway, I would expect 4 cents to eventually be hit. We might still rise higher, take out these highs, but more likely than not, we're going to find resistance at the skinny pink line. Right, so Kaspa is a downer. I still expect more downside. We might drop to 5 cents though, and then there could be a very, very strong rally towards the skinny pink line. So depending on the situation, we might hit the skinny pink line first before dropping, or we might drop, hit the skinny pink line, drop again. Something like that. So as it stands, yeah, I'm expecting Kaspa to still hit much lower. Alright, boys and girls, that's it for today's Top 40. Hope you guys enjoyed it. See you in the next one. Ta-ta!